Report status, please.
Mars Lander here. Gravity device status effective. Oxygen status 98%.
Any sign of habitation?
Not so much as a... Whoa there, horsey. What the...
It's Britney, bitch.
On this one, you know, yeah, it's real. Hussein was happy, nigga. I see you. Alright, shadows pop black. Yeah, my nigga O1, O1, Jody in the house. Jody, my name Chatty Lock. Gotti, what up? Black Child, what up? I like to work more of my niggas to the world famous Murder Inc. show. Big shout to all the Queens niggas on Staten Island, niggas on Uptown, niggas on Brooklyn, niggas on my Bronx niggas, yeah. All my Jersey niggas. It's summertime. Ladies looking hot, shaking up what they got. The elephant women can't. Come on.
Remix this thing right here. Low rider, congrats, boy, you done got yourself one. Time them groundhogs always showing love. E-Class, what it is, what it ain't. Come on. Let's go. The whole club was looking at her. She hit the floor. Like ain't no, so we got no. Open the doors and baby light my fire. Watch how I carry this thing like Mariah. I'm tryna make Lou like an LA riot. Sticking for the ice and the cream like Brian's. All messed up like Michael Myers. I'm tryna multiply what y'all divide and call it Ice Cube. Get hit on Friday. Y'all getting out the fuck. scared. When shit go all out, I play broke while your broke ass bone out. Me, I'm Diddy, Jay-Z, and Steve. Stay out a little bit of biggie, give me the loot and I'll be out. Shit, back boy, forget the debate, boy. They feeling me like Obama and Hillary. So pick up your artillery before you get cut like umbilical cord. Let's go.
Report status, please.
Mars lander here. Gravity device status effective. Oxygen status 98%.